Will you want to double the growth rate of your business? I'm sure you will. Most of the business lag behind the competition for many reasons. Do you want to know them? Let me break some myths for you. Luck, extra effort, and better managers. These are some of the common approaches every company takes to grow their business. But let me ask you, do these work every time? The answer is no. Yes, it's a fact. Let me prove it to you. Companies hire costly senior managers from competition, but 80% of such hiring fails because USP and product value of each business are different. Companies invest heavily in implementing new process just by seeing others, but 73% of such implementations fail because the new processes are based on some basic USPs of business and favor only first movers. Invest extra time to do everything right in their business. But 67% of such efforts do not yield the desired results, as people are bound to do mistakes and it eats up all the extra time. If everything fails, then what works to grow? The answer is itself in the question. Yes, to grow consistently, you need to ask the right question. JetFerry.ai gives you the AI-enabled precisely right answers, the answers which can 2x the growth of your business than your competitors. Not just the precisely right answers, JetFerry.ai gives you precisely right growth strategies too. There's much more which we offer at JetFerry.ai. Execute with higher ROI and better enterprise answers. Visualizations, trends, and patterns in just 2 hours. Strategy impacting insights in days, not weeks. A de-risked execution plan for your insights in only 2 weeks. Save 25% in total cost of ownership from first month and precisely targeted digital marketing. If you think that you'll think about JetFerry.ai someday, that day will never come. You're already extremely busy. JetFerry.ai is here to relieve you from your unnecessary stress and time schedule. So talk to us now, as the time is now.